Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and next plant today is that of the jade plant. This is a fairly common plant down here in Florida, and I imagine it could be used as a house plant. I don't recall, I'm not the expert on house plants. I know a few of them, like a hothouse, philodendron, and a few other ones that are quite popular. But jade plants, the structure of the leaf is what gets me, because I think I see that in several places still they have them as house plants. So this is just a moment to capture the jade plant. When I had it last year, it was about a half of the size that it is right now. The thing is where to put it. So that's why I say house. House plants tend to prefer not a direct sunlight type of situation. So once again, house plant. Mr. Jade is number 926, or I have to get the exact name when I go inside. I'll get that. But it's the SU926, so I have to find out what the SU means, and we'll get that in the video, and we'll get it up to you. Like I said, this is progressing on all the plants that are growing in the Dougherty Garden. This will be labeled as a tropicals, because I'm not sure of the flowers. I'm assuming most of these plants do flower sometime, whether they're prominent flowers or little flittery little things, but they flower. Somehow, somewhere they flower. But I call it a tropical plant for Marty's reasons. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Any questions? You're growing these little jade plants? Let us know all about it. Thank you. Bye-bye.